Importance of data collection. In social science research, particularly, that is depends on data collection. So without data collection, there is no analysis, there is no explanation of theory, there is no generation of new theory. Research means basically search for knowledge, search for unknown things. It is totally based on in a systematic manner. It is totally based on systematic manner. So research scholar initially will select a research topic, and whatever he has been selected research area, and he should gather samples, data collection, important information from the research area. Data collection is necessary, then only he can do research. Without data collection, there is no research, there is no social science research. So in social science research particularly, research is always depends on data collection, to gather raw material, to get more and more information regarding their research topic and research area. This is only helpful to analyze about the research area. Regardless of the field of study, or prefer for defining data or the analysis of data, that is depends on totally collection of data. So that's why scholars and authors and researchers, they are giving more importance to data collection method. Without collection of data, there is no explanation. Data collection is mandatory. So survey area, that is analysis of statistical and mathematical applying tools, and thereafter samples and findings and hypothesis testing. These process will be after collection of data. Without collection of data, there is no hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing, findings, what are the loopholes, whatever the mistakes observed by the scholar, in percentages of problems or observations, they were explained by the scholar. Accurate data is essential to maintaining the integrity of the research. Accurate, original, reliable information must be collected by the scholar to analysis about the data. So that is for through data collection, it gives quality of assurance activities that take place before data collection. So that gives assurance to the scholar. And quality control, activities that takes place during and after data collection. After data collection, quality control. So that is after data collection. Errors in individual data items, systematic errors, violation of protocol. These are as follows by the scholars after data collection. Without data collection, there is no generation of new theory, by the scholar.